my YouTube friends. I'm coming on with another Simply Earth haul, and I showed you my recipe box that I got for September, and there is going to be a code in the description box. It's Marla H free if you're interested in paying the shipping and receiving your own essential oil recipe box to try out and see if that's something that you'd be interested in. So anyway, I just picked up this Happy Joy. It's a blend of oils, and it is a roll-on, so you know, you can I did make myself one, so this I'm probably going to end up giving to my daughter to use. I like the roll-ons. They're really nice because they're already blended and they're real gentle on your skin, and this is a really lovely scent, and it's just kind of inspiring and good. And then I decided to try their shoe and foot deodorizer. It says Earth Mint, and this is all made in the U.S. products. So anyway, I'm anxious to give that a try. Like, if you're I know my feet sweat quite a bit in the summer, and so it's just good for your closed-in like tennis shoes and that to have a deodorizer. The next thing I got is some of their Simply Earth bug spray, and I am a type of person, if I sit outside in the summertime or even like this fall time, and there is mosquitoes, I just get bit alive. So I'm really anxious to give this a try, hopefully this evening if I go sit outside. We have a nice little swing out on our back patio, so I like enjoy using that in the summer and fall evenings. So I'm anxious to give this a try and see if that helps. And then I just picked up this Essential Oils for Beginners little book that they had, and it just talks about you know, how to dilute oils and just how to get the most out of your essential oils, and there's a guide here of, you know, which oils are what, because you should, you know, try and be careful and know precautions of what oils to use for what things. So this looked like a really nice, quick and easy reference book. There's some essential oil actual recipes of some bubble bath, diffuser blends, cleaning, you know, just lots of different skin balm. So I'm just really you know, anxious to get in and learn more about how to use my essential oils that I have. And then I'm going to come back with a craft that I did the other day with one of my Dollar Tree products. So thank you, people, for watching. And like I say, if you're wanting to give these essential oils a try, please use the code Marla H free, and you just pay the shipping, and that will give you a monthly recipe box. Thank you for watching.